I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Wala, hindi ko kasama ngayon. Sorry. Oh my God! Okay, so meron pa akong next song. Meron pa akong next song. Gusto niyo pa ba? Yes! Alam kong alam niyo to. So, sabayan niyo ako.
Bago lahat yan, bumati ka muna sa ating audience for tonight.
Hello po! Magandang gabi po! Hello!
Pilipinas Queen, naalim sa'yo na.
Hello! Oo, bati ka rin naman sa mga fans nyo na nandyan pa kanina pang umaga. Yes! So, hi, Jempian! And also, hello, Jarpian! And syempre sa aking players, hello!
Para Slayer. Kanina pa silang iingay para sa iyo at anong pakiramdam na perform ka sa harap nila? Oo, di ba?
Di ba? Oo, di ba?
Tuloy-tuloy.
Di ba?
Tuloy-tuloy sila pero ito Fiang, sobrang lapit ng Pasko. Siyempre, Christmas is coming. Anong plans mo ngayong Pasko?
Siyempre yung plans ko is to celebrate with my family, siyempre. Uuwi ako sa Laguna. Siyempre, andun yung buong family ko. So, I will just celebrate my Christmas sa family ko.
Sa
Kung
family
hindi
ko.
sa family mo, kung may isa-celebrate ka with someone. With someone. Sino kaya yan? Ayan na. Nagtuturoan na. Ay, dito na lang. Kung hindi with someone, baka may message ka sa someone na yun ngayong Pasko.
Okay. So, ang message ko sa tao na yun, sana maging masaya yung Pasko niya. I hope, kung ano man yung ginagawa niya ngayon, maging successful siya. And huwag niyang alalahanin yung mga sinasabing masama about sa kanya. Always think positive. Kasi kasi andun ako sa likod niya. Tapos,
Grabe yun, diba?
Tumalo sa kilig.
Ba't ka na patalon naman?
Pero Piang, anong Christmas wish mo this year? Kasi syempre, it's been a big year for you. So anong pang, what else do you want for Christmas?
ang Christmas wish list ko, syempre happiness ng lahat. And safety ng lahat.
Yes, of course, syempre safety rin ng mga fans mo ngayon, di ba? Kasi syempre, kanina pa sila nagpunta rito talagang malayo ang pinuntahan nila para makita ka lang. Kaya naman, baka may last message ka rin sa mga fans mo ngayon.
Okay! Jem Piang, Jar Piang, and Slayers, thank you all for coming. Grabe kayo, ang lala nyo. Hanggang saan kayo aabot. And ayun, thank you for all your support. I hope hindi kayo magsusawang supportahan ako. And always remember who did? And God did!
Ayan, siyempre, Piang, before we say thank you to you, please invite mo everyone here sa lahat ng social media platforms mo, yung mga future shows.
Okay. So guys, everybody please watch ASAP po sa Sunday. Lagi kayong manood ng ASAP dahil doon niyo po ako mapapanood. And also, my TikTok is Sophia Smith. Instagram _ I am Sophia Smith.
Ayan na, magkanta tuloy si Taylor Swift.
Isa pa daw mo, sa lahat ng social media ko, it's just Sophia Smith. Thank you everybody!
Thank you so much, Piang!
Ano nga daw, once again, give a round of applause for Piang! Thank you so much, Piang. Makasama ka naman namin mamaya, huwag kayong kalala. Thank you so much.
Ay, nako! Ayaw makinig! Kung wala ka yung project, puta, takot na yung mababasa dyan. Jema, saan si Frank?
Inaayos tayo! Hey! Hinahanap tayo! Hindi nakababa kasi